Hey, it's Joey, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the solar-powered quad beam security light. This is the easiest and most affordable way to add some stunning exterior lighting to your home. Now there are 4 different motion-activated COB light panels, which dish out a total of 800 lumens on the max setting. There are 2 additional settings which you can cycle through simply by pushing the button below the sensor. These include a low mode until motion activated, as well as a always on low. You're gonna love how easy this is to install. You can peel and stick it to nearly any surface, which means there's no electricians needed. And it's solar powered, so there's no batteries to replace, plus it's even weatherproof. These will look great almost anywhere, by your doorway, your garage, in your backyard. Just make sure you put it in a sunny area where the solar panel can charge up during the day. It also comes with some mounting hardware if you want a more permanent solution. We all know that home security lights are great for entering your house in the dark or for warding off would-be thieves and trespassers, but rarely do they look this good at such an affordable price. So make sure you take a look around your house to see how many you need, because when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and pick up a few today.